I'm Sarah, and I've been sick since January 23rd, and it is February 13th. I am much better than I was, but I still have a really bad cough. My friend Wilma, who is an Olympic swim coach, told me that I need a carbonator, carbonoxidator, I don't know, but it helps you get carbon dioxide into the lungs, which eventually gets you better circulation and oxygen. So she said you can make one with a snorkel. So she said tape up the snorkel. So I'm gonna try. I thought it might be interesting to share this. Half the snorkel. Okay, so I taped up one side, and I'm gonna breathe through this side. So I'm going to breathe for 70 seconds on, 40 seconds off. 70 seconds on this, 40 seconds off this, and for 6 minutes total, and then see how I feel. That is me doing it on. Okay, now do 40 seconds off. Do I feel a little lightheaded? She said if you have long COVID, you won't be able to even do 30 seconds. You'll get really sick. So I guess this is a way of finding out if you have long COVID. I think Ben Greenfield told her that. That's my doggy Lola. Okay, 40 seconds off, and now I'm going back on. It's 6 minutes later. Okay, I can breathe way better. My lungs feel way more open. Like, rise and fall, way better. And I feel I got really relaxed, like super duper duper relaxed. Wow, I just feel like the asthmatic feeling that I had is much less. I'll get back to you and see how it is in an hour if I have any coughing fits. And I'll try to get a walk in because exercise anything that gets me going seems to make it worse. But I can say I'm breathing way, way better. Okay, I'm out walking my dog. And I'm able to walk. I mean, I've been walking, but I'm not coughing. I have had a couple coughs, but not the kind where I've heaved and felt like I was choking and needed an inhaler. So that is an improvement, and it's cold. It's hard to get a good inhale. And yet, normally the cold would really set off my cough. I can feel a little tickle, but it's not as bad. So I'm gonna snorkel again and see how it goes. I think I'll do it a few times today.